Updating your legal name with Ascend Federal Credit Union is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your information is updated quickly and efficiently. Step 1. Gather required documents. Collect all necessary documents that prove your name change. This may include a marriage certificate, divorce decree, or court order. Step 2. Visit the Ascend website. Go to the official Ascend Federal Credit Union website. Look for the Contact Us or Member Services section to find information on name change procedures. Step 3. Complete the name change form. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 4. Submit your request. Send your completed name change form along with the required documents to Ascend Federal Credit Union. This can typically be done via mail, fax, or in person at a local branch. Step 5. Confirm the update. After submitting your request, follow up with Ascend to confirm that your name change has been processed. This can usually be done by calling customer service or checking your account online. By following these steps, you can efficiently update your legal name with Ascend Federal Credit Union. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to the customer support for assistance.